Hello guys, I'm Krishna and today I welcome you all on PSI chapters report of Vit-Ap University, and we'll take a look at a basic Java data types today. It is very basic topic and it is like very small topic and very basic one. Like every Java coder should know about this topic. Okay, so I'll just head on straight with an example. It will be a simple example, and what I'm going to do, I'll define a variable s of type short, and I'll assign a value to it. And what I'll do, I'll just define some integers also. What I'll do now, I'll just do s is equal to s plus c. Okay, so it is very simple. S plus c equal to c. So we are incrementing c in the value of s. And what I'll do now, I'll just print out this. So you try to figure out what should be the output. As you can see, it is showing an error. This red line is not an error. So pause the video, answer why it's showing an error. Why should it be an error? You have 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. Okay. As we already know, this code is gonna throw an error. Like it is out of range. And why is it throwing an error? So in Java, what we are doing, we are defining type of b as integer. But what is happening in Java, if we start a number with 0, 8, so it interprets as octal number system. Like you all know octal number system, so it interprets it as octal number system. That's why it is throwing an error. So to resolve this issue, what we have to do, we have to typecast it into integer. So, and I want to tell you that I already covered that topic, like typecasting in Java. It is already covered in our channel. You can just take a look at that video if you are interested how to typecast. Till then, and if you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section, rewind the video, take another look at it. Until then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.